Looking to ship a car to Timor-Leste? Moving, working, or staying long-term, this guide breaks down the real costs, required documents, and trusted shipping methods to help you move your vehicle from the US to Timor-Leste with ease. Shipping your car to Timor-Leste typically costs between $2,800 and $6,200, depending on your US location, transport method, and vehicle type. Save on inland transport by delivering the car to the nearest US port. There are 3 main methods to ship your vehicle overseas. RoRo, roll-on/roll-off. Most affordable option. Best for operable vehicles, vehicle must be empty. Jack, spare tire, mats allowed. Container shipping, 20 feet. Most secure and private, can include personal items ideal for high-value or luxury vehicles, flat rack or low-low shipping. Best for heavy equipment, inoperable cars, or oversized cargo, requires crane loading. To legally ship and register your car in Timor-Leste, note, vehicles older than 5 years are restricted unless they qualify as classic cars, large commercial vehicles, or are approved under international exemption. Timor-Leste imposes several import taxes. Always confirm current rates with Timor-Leste Customs before shipping. Need to ship oversized cargo or heavy equipment to Timor-Leste? A1 Auto Transport handles it all with precision. Shipping a car to Timor-Leste gives you the freedom to travel on your schedule, explore remote areas, and avoid the challenges of local public transport. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.